This entire scene was generated using Google Omni. No traditional animation, no manual rendering, just AI. This is Google Omni, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I use it to create AI animation. Everything starts inside Google Labs, in the Flow section. This is where the full pipeline begins. First, we create the character. I'm using a prompt generated with AI to define the identity, visual design, proportions, and consistency of the character. This step is extremely important. Next, we generate the voice. Tone, pacing, personality, and speaking style all affect how believable the final animation feels. Then we fill out the character information section: background, personality, behavioral style, and communication tone. This helps Omni maintain consistency during generation. Now we switch to the Google Omni model. This is where the full AI generation process begins. Here, I enter the main cinematic prompt. This prompt controls camera movement, environment, emotion, pacing, and character behavior. The more structured the prompt is, the more stable the result becomes. One of the most powerful features is multi-turn editing. Instead of generating a new video every time, Omni allows you to continue editing through conversation. Characters, camera angles, and scene logic remain surprisingly consistent. Omni also supports multimodal inputs. Text, images, audio, and even video references can all be combined together into a single generation workflow. For example, you can provide a real motion reference video together with a fantasy character image. Omni can transfer movement and visual style into a completely new scene. You can also transform rough storyboard sketches into full cinematic sequences. This makes pre-visualization dramatically faster. Another impressive feature is physical realism. Lighting, gravity, cloth movement, environmental behavior, and motion dynamics all feel far more natural than most current AI video tools. Omni can even reinterpret existing videos. You can change environments, weather, atmosphere, or completely redesign a scene while preserving the original motion. It can also translate and replace spoken dialogue into different languages while maintaining natural tone and delivery. Google Omni feels less like a video generator and more like a real AI production pipeline. And this is only the beginning. Subscribe for more AI animation workflows, cinematic pipelines, and next-generation AI tools.